Hello and welcome to round three. Round three is going to be the success round. It's the bonus round. It's a wonderful place to be. Just give me 30 seconds. I just want to check the audio, make sure that we can hear. And by clicking this button, then I can hear the voice. There we go. All right, so we are live. Now, all right, we've been trying to work with a pre-made database, and it's been a really, really terrible experience. Which means what? It means I'm going to completely abandon the idea of using the database which I was using before. And I'm starting 100% from scratch with each of these apps. So just so you know, here it is. I got this. Here's the basic screens that I want to put together. Here's the workflow. And I created 2 new folders. I don't need that anymore. Here's my sketches. So here we go. Let's start it from the beginning. Maybe we could start with Replit. Describe the app or site you want to create. Okay. Now I might just change this just so that you don't hear so much typing. Now remember that, so what we're doing here is I have a month subscription for each of these apps, but I think I've used most of the credits with the craziness from the last 2 videos. All right, so the app, after a user logs in, after a user clicks, after a user opens the website, they need to sign up. In the future, they will need to pay to create projects. When a user first signs up, they should be able to create 3 projects. There is an add project button and a profile button. Clicking the profile button will navigate to the profile page. Clicking the plus project button will add a project to the container, which has rows of projects. If there is no project created, there should be a message asking the user to create a project. Is 3 dots on the row so the user can rename the project or delete it, and the cards can be dragged up and down in the container. After a project is created, the user can click the project and it opens to a modules page. There are 5 buttons to create modules and a history title. Under the history title is a container for modules to be added. Each time a module is clicked, the user, I'm slowing down, navigates to a module page which has text boxes with questions and input boxes for text. The user reads the text and inputs text into the text boxes, to the input boxes. I have some wireframe images that could help for the profile page, the project page, and the module menu page, as well as the 5 modules. What would you like me to do first? Okay, now let's let that do that. Now come over here and good. All right, and hi, paste. All right, so this method is probably better, I think, because now we're just starting like with the recommendation from the actual app. I'll help you create a project plan. From your description, you're building a web application with user authentication, project management capabilities, and a module system. Let me propose a comprehensive plan for the project. Build the internal prototype, modern web app. Would you like to any of these additional features we can add payment processing for project creation beyond initial limit, implement data persistence, add project sharing and collaboration features. Yeah, I want it. Create analytics dashboard for project and module usage. No. Timeline, visual preview, first app version, 10 minutes, get notification when app is ready. Okay, so it's going to take 10 minutes. Now what about you? Thank you for detailed requirements. Here we can proceed. First steps, wireframe, upload, review. Please upload and share the wireframe images for the project profile page, project page modules, 5 modules. These will ensure this. Project structure, confirm you want to use front-end framework, React, Next, Vue, Node.js, Express, Super integration, authentication flow. We'll implement super-based authentication. Projects, display the project's button, show the container. Please upload the wireframe images so we can lay out details. Okay. Now, profile page. Okay, we're going to use this profile page, scoreboard, objectives, and scoreboard. Let's make it difficult. Let's do the objective and scoreboard together. Then we got the modules page, objectives, scoreboard, vision, objective, project page, touch base, brainstorm, choose. Please recommend for questions you have presented. Did it get all of the images? I don't think it got all of them. Profile page, project page, module page, vision, objectives, touch base, brainstorm, choose. Okay, this clear overview involves this. Please, given the features in the wireframe, here's a suggestion. Technology. We should decide on the technologies: front end, Common, React, for back end, Python. Do you have any experience? Project setups. Once we have the stack, we can structure wireframe descriptions. So I can't see the images. Could you describe the key images? Okay. I'll attach the images and you can recommend or ask questions as needed. Profile page, project page, module page, vision page, objectives, touch base, brainstorm, choose. All right, so based on the first steps, I would say it seems as though this one is kind of weird. But it's fine. We'll see what happens. This one, okay. Whew. It's a lot of questions. Visions module. Okay, thank you for sharing the wireframe. Please clear for each page module. Here's some recommendations, clarification. Vision module questions. What's the purpose of the project? Okay, these questions are well structured for CG. Consider adding hints, examples. Optionally, add a short description. Define your project's vision lines. Objectives, questions. Scoreboard table. Questions. Touch base module. Brainstorm module. Choose module. General UI UX. What front end do you recommend for this type of app? Jeez. Okay, the Vit project client has been scaffolded. I'll navigate to the client directory and install necessary dependents with this and this. I've decided to go with Vit. Oh no. What a heck. Who knows what this guy's doing? Yes. All right, so this time, instead of having a pre-made database, which I thought would be cool and interesting, and I thought that was the way to go, I just decided, okay, why don't you just explain what the project is, and then let's let it do what it wants to do, and then we can make some changes from there. Now everybody's doing the thing that they think they need to be doing to set up the project. Okay, we have project manager app. Okay, front end, tailwind. Here, start the development server. Okay, now we can set a scaffold name. Okay, shall we begin? Yes. I need to install the following packages. I think it's supposed to be, wait, it says it's running. Auto execute, change the audio. It's on auto run. It should just do it, right? What's going on over here? Setting up the projects page. Oh no. Oh, it's doing the sign up page. Now I can imagine who's going to win. I already know who's going to win. Whose credits are going to last the longest, because right now there's some like thing going on with Windsurf. I need to install the following. Where's the? It's supposed to. Execution. It's on turbo already. I have no idea. Can't even click no. I developed a project manager web application with the user authentication, project creation, modular content. The app includes user authentication, project creation management module system with different types of goals, audience strategy, whatever that. Okay, what is going on? Please check the application works correctly. Okay. Okay, let's make Blaine username. Blaine. Create the password. Blaine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exclamation mark. Blaine. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Blaine. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exclamation mark. Oh, I better save it. Create a new project. Project is project. What is this thing? Project Arrowhead. Just for an app to help people manage stuff. I can't click it. All right, so number one, this is definitely better than before because there's things that are actually happening, and then we're just going to go through it one by one. This is like, what the heck is going on? I can't click any of these things. in the console. Okay, that's dying. Yeah, so this is kind of ridiculous because I can't click anything. I guess I just have to copy and paste this. It always does this.